drop shot.
What is up? That Bass Fishing Dude here, back again with another video. Right smack dab in the middle of fall. It's a little bit later in the year, so it's definitely a lot cooler out here. The water temps are way, way, way down. Crap, my socks are getting wet. Sorry. Probably should have stayed on the sidewalk, but it's all good. Water temps are way down. The bass are getting really, really, really finicky, slow and sluggish. So a lot of those fast moving baits aren't really going to be working anymore, especially this late in the year. So today we're going to do a little bit more finesse. I brought a nice juicy drop shot. And we're fishing a new pond. Well, it's not new to me. I haven't fished it in probably this year, but definitely haven't fished it on camera. So yeah, hopefully we can get on some fall fatties today, guys. This water is stained. It's been a lot of rain. It's pretty muddy over here too, so hopefully I don't lose a shoe. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Let's make it happen. There's one. On the drop shot. Oh, on the drop shot. We got us one. Little guy. On the drop shot. Got him good in there. There we go. Gotcha, bud. Oh, there was a, oh, I missed him. That was a good bite too, man. Patience, guys. Patience. The drop shot is all about patience. That is something that I lack a lot of. Dang, that was a good bite, man. Really good bite. Let's hope he's still over there somewhere in the space. Turn taps. Is he on there? He is on there. Oh! Turd. Ah, I just lost my worm. Come on back, come on back, come on back, come on back, come on back. Quick, 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 quick. Before he runs off, before he RUNNOFT. I may have missed my opportunity, guys. Thanks for that worm coming off. 2 good hits. Man, 2 excellent bites. Two very, very big bites, man. And got a little overzealous. Let's try to set the hook a little too soon. Is that a bite? Oh, yeah, a little hit. Another little one. It's probably a bluegill. Ah, there we go. There we go. Another little guy. That's number 2 on the drop shot. Ooh, barely skin hooked him. Look at that. Just barely got him right there on the inner lip. Barely got the little guy. Another one on the drop shot. This little boys is hungry today. I need your mama though, man. You need to tell your mama to come out and get some dinner, some lunch. That's who I want. I'm pretty sure that wasn't the same guy that hit it that first time, because that was a much more subtle bite. It's always fun catching those little guys though, because they hit it like a ton of bricks. And then you get them up out of the water and a little bitty dude. Why are you so high strung, man? Another little bite. Uh-oh, another one. It's another little guy. Another little dude. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. It feels like a slightly more sluggish fish. Maybe that's the mama. She may actually have it. You got it? Nah, you don't have it. She had it though. That may have been her, man. That may have been her, guys, and I just not paying attention. Missed my opportunity to set the hook. Let's see if she'll come back and get it though. Where you at, big girl? Where you at? There's one in here. There's a bite. There's a bite. There's a bite. You got it? There we go. There we go. Another little bitty guy. Oh, that's slightly bigger than the last one. Calm down, buddy. There's another one on the drop shot. Gotta be careful, don't want my phone to fall in the water. That would suck. Number 3. Dang, he's scarred up. He got beat up by something. He's got some good color on him though. Nice spots. 3 guy. Still looking for your mama though. Oh, don't get hung up on anything. There we go. Perfect. Oh, there's a bite. There's another one. There's another one. Oh, there we go. Is that another little bitty guy? Let's see. Yeah, another little bitty one. It's okay. It's all right though. That is all right. Oh, he's a little fat guy. Little fat dude. He's bigger than that last one though, that's for sure. Oh yeah, he's definitely bigger than that last one. It's number 4 on the drop shot. Got him right in the center of the mouth. Look at that. Look at that hook. Ooh, that's perfect. Square in the middle. Free guy. What a day, guys. What a day. The drop shot works. Fall is for the drop shot. Ended up catching 4 nice ones. Little bitty dinks. But hey, that's all good because dinks need love too. So yeah. I appreciate you guys coming and hanging out with me today. And until next time, yeah, that bass fishing dude out. Peace.